All right, welcome to Mel and Jerry's Kitchen. We're going to try to make some wheat bread. You're not in the camera. You need to kind of...
Well, I don't want to cover up the mixer.
Okay. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, since we're using wheat flour, is 2 cups of wheat flour. Secondly, a half a cup of all-purpose regular flour. Then we've got in this bowl 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of yeast. I've already mixed all that together. Yay! All right. After that, we need to combine this. If you can turn that on now, just to kind of mix all the ingredients up. Oh, not on high.
I don't know how to use this thing.
We're learning. All right, I think that's good. Now, I'm going to pour in 1 cup of warm milk. One egg, if you can do that. There's your thing. So we'll dump the egg in here. And 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use whatever you want. We like olive oil, so why not? It's a good healthy oil. It actually tastes good too, you know. All right, so now, since we've got all of our ingredients in there, let's hit a mix. It says to do it on high, but I'm gonna say start out slow.
Yeah.
All right. Now we're gonna hit this for 2 minutes. All right, now,
We need to add that.
after that being 2 minutes, we're going to put in an additional 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And that will just go in until you see it kind of get mixed in. I shouldn't have threw that in yet. Okay. I think that's good.
It's still a little bit doughy, maybe.
Okay.
Okay, now I think I see it. It's all combining now. Okay?
Okay. All right, so we've got it got everything mixed. So now Melody is going to knead this stuff, and it says let's do 50 turns. Whatever that means.
I'm gonna need my scraper. Other people always make it look so easy.
All right, there's our wheat bread flour.
All right, I'm gonna wash my hands first and then
Okay.
flour them good.
Well, the people that make it look easy have probably done 1,000 loaves of bread.
very sticky. Remember her. Okay, now I think we're getting it where I can.
Getting it where you can
One.
knead it down.
2, 3, maybe.
It's getting there. What are you up to now?
26, 27.
Do you have a certain towel to cover it, or does it matter?
It doesn't matter.
Then we'll use butterflies. And then you just make it into a little ball. And we'll cover it. Look at that. Just look how pretty that's getting. All right. So now, let me back up over here. Whoops. Now, we will cover this and let it set for 10 minutes.
It's been 10 minutes now. Now we're going to try and shape the dough.
Hey, come in here and let's watch how this happens.
Okay, this feels a lot better. Still need a little bit of extra flour. And you're supposed to sort of do it in a rectangle. And then just roll it up. And the seam on the bottom, kind of pinching the sides.
Just kind of shape it like a
Loaf of bread.
loaf.
Then we'll put it, we've lined this with a sheet of parchment paper. I'm just going to put it in there. Now we cover it and let that rest for about 30 minutes. Is that right?
35 minutes.
35 minutes.
Yeah, let's cover it up.
And then we start preheating it to 375, right?
375. Okay, so we'll be back in 35 minutes to put it in.
Mm-hmm.
Well, all right. Let's take a look at it. See if it's risen any. Whoops.
Maybe a little.
Maybe a little. You know, I think it has actually. It hadn't risen as much as I thought it would, but she says that it'll rise in the oven. So let's turn on that oven light. We're going to give this a shot. I would say now 35 minutes, right? I would say that the first rise was probably a fail. Probably a fail. But we'll
Maybe
see.
The total outcome will be okay though.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay, we'll see you in 35 minutes, Brad. All right, we looked in here a minute ago. We still got about 15 minutes left, but it looks like it's doing pretty good in there. See there? Boy, it's rising. Looking good. Okay.
All right, our buzzer's going on, so I'm going to turn that off and take out the bread.
Now look how that ended
Think it
up
looks
rising
pretty.
there. Oh yeah. All right. Ow. I keep kicking the thing here. Let's see how this. Look at that. Wow.
Fresh bread.
So-
Wheat bread.
When it didn't rise when it should have, we think it rose out instead of up. And that was a fail, we thought, but this looks good. This looks like it might be a win. We'll let you know how it tastes here shortly. Let me come in first before we cut this. Man, that looks good. Homemade. Homemade.
We're going to cut it and see how it does. See how it tastes.
Yep. Looks good. I'd say we just put a little butter on one of those slices there. Looks hot.
It is.
Let me Terry would love this, and even Brentley could eat this.
Think so.
Well, what do you think? Is it a fail or a success?
I think it's a success.
Very good. Pretty easy, and I've been wanting some of the brown wheat bread, so that's good. Doesn't have any kind of preservatives, that sort of thing in it, so it should be a little healthier. So I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. How about you? All right.
Fine.